Strawberry Daifuku is all about the perfect mix of the tangy strawberries and the chewy mochi and sweetness from the bean paste. Making mochi in a frying pan is super easy and you can make it like a pro in no time. Let's get started. Actually, I have made a strawberry mochi video in another shape before, but I was inspired for this one by the beautiful traditional Japanese Wagashi video by Appétit. So please take a look at it. Let's start preparing the dusted tray to be easy to work with. I'm using cornstarch, but potato starch will work as well. Divide the bean paste into 20 grams each. Shape into a bowl and set aside. Today I used the white bean paste for pink mochi and red bean paste for the matcha mochi, but you can choose white or red to your preference. To make the white bean paste or red bean paste, please find the link in the description box below or upper right hand side corner. To prepare the mochi dough, tint the water for the pink mochi by carefully dropping a tiny amount of food coloring. Keep it pale pink because the red food color tends to become brighter after cooking. Mix Mochiko and sugar together in the frying pan and gradually add the pink water and give it a nice stir to ensure there's no lumps. Cook on medium heat, stir constantly until start setting to cook evenly. When you start forming the dough, stir vigorously until it seems shiny and bouncy for about a couple of minutes after forming the dough. Let's talk about the ratio of the Mochiko and sugar. The ratio of the Mochiko and sugar varies depending on the recipes, and we want to avoid taking too much sugar from the health standpoint, but from the standpoint of the texture and the taste and how manageable it is, it's totally different. The authentic recipe calls for 1 part Mochiko and 2 parts sugar. That's a lot of sugar, but it keeps the mochi soft and keep the soft texture longer and easy to work with. And adding a lot of sugar will give a melty texture, while adding less sugar will give it a chewy texture. This recipe is on the chewy side of the texture, so play around the ratio and find your favorite. And this looks good, so let's transfer mochi onto the tray. Tap and spread the mochi into a rectangular shape while still warm, 15 cm by 25 cm ish square, and cut into 6. Remove cornstarch with a brush and put the ankle in the center and carefully wrap around the bean paste and pinch to seal the end. Repeat the process for the remaining mochi and ankle. For the matcha mochi, add a little bit of sugar and mix it with matcha powder and then dissolve with water. Mix Mochiko and sugar in a frying pan and mix with the matcha water. Cook until bouncy and shiny like we did before and do the same thing to the pink one. To assemble, cut a slit in the middle, halfway through, and put the strawberries on top. And that's your strawberry mochi. How adorable they are! Put them on the serving dish side by side and it looks like Ohina-sama, the girls' festival doll. Actually, the merch dessert is the girls' festival in Japan. Serve the freshly made homemade strawberry mochi with green tea and enjoy. The contrast between the fresh and tangy strawberry and sweet anko complement each other so well and create a great dessert. The chewy mochi is not overly sweet and you can enjoy the unique texture and flavor. Because it doesn't contain a lot of sugar, so it will taste good the next day, but if you want to keep it longer, freeze it before putting the strawberries and reheat in the microwave until slightly warm, then put the strawberry on top before serving. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!